Here we go. I figured I'd go ahead and give you some post-snow mayhem. Yeah, as you can see, it's like incredibly deep on my shoe. And of course, like I said during my stream a few minutes ago, that people were getting stuck.
Legs left and right. Hi, whoever said hi.
Lovely weather.
Oh yeah.
We're headed to the beach when we leave here. Y'all want to go?
That'd be nice.
Good, that will be nice.
I gotta be careful not to slip and slide, slip and slide, slip and slide. Especially while I'm recording this, because I don't want to drop my phone on the ice.
You're right.
Because that would be a $50 repair bill. Plus another $15 to swap the phone.
Smart. She left her phone at home.
Yeah, Danielle did leave her phone at home again. Yeah, of course you can see how bad the roads are. I think this one's been plowed already. I'm not for sure.
Yeah. I'll go through the dirt.
But there's the main road up there. I think it's been definitely plowed. I just figured I should share with everybody. See you later. Alright guys, I just figured I'd show you a little video clip of the shopping center that we're going to for Save-A-Lot over here. And as you can see, that the parking lot is still pretty much deserted. Most of the places are still closed. I know Maxway's probably still closed, I'm not for sure. But as you can see in the distance, it's how bad the parking lot is. Most of it's really still inaccessible. Unless if you have a four-wheel drive vehicle. But yeah, this is how bad it is down here in Portsmouth. Anyway, see you guys later.